Well, we think that AI, while being significant, is only one of the things that's driving changes in the market. Obviously, when the Fed raises rates 50 basis points, we have to pay close attention. That's only happened twice in the past, and the two times it happened, recession followed. So we are very conscious of all of the different things that are going on in the market at this point, and our Centi-millionaires, this is a club for Centi-millionaires, have a unique perspective because they have the luxury of waiting. So they can be very patient, just like a Warren Buffett. They have patient capital and they have patient perspective.
They do and they don't, Barbara, if I may beg to differ. They can be patient, but they can't look at new trends going ahead of them too far. Hence the appetite for extraordinary valuations, for instance, for OpenAI, which I read eye-wateringly has a valuation potentially in the current round of $150 billion. So I absolutely hear what you're saying about those, the Centi-millionaires, and having the patience to wait out and become investors rather than traders. But if they miss these trends because of these extraordinary valuations, because historically they are unbelievably extraordinary, then they could maybe never get into these stocks at these entry points.
Well, I think that they are also looking for value, just like a Warren Buffett looks for value. We also look for value, and there are many other opportunities. So there's no necessity to jump. This group is very focused on building wealth for the next generation and many generations to come. So things like Bitcoin have a much longer runway, and we think there's a much longer perspective there. Bitcoin touches multiple places before it gets to each person, and banks will potentially be disintermediated at some point. It's going to, blockchain technology will eliminate 99% of those fees. So we think there's an enormous opportunity here. Bitcoin is to moving money what voice over the internet used to be to long distance phone calls. That's a big opportunity, and that's a multi-generational opportunity. And that's the kind of valuation and opportunity and upside that we look for.